research, I found these things, and I'm naming them the 4 DiSC do's, right? So each personalities kind of have this do type of attitude. So your D is kind of like Nike, just do it. Your I, let's have fun doing it. Let's do it, but let's have fun doing it. That's me. What I always say we're going to have fun, we're going to learn, and we're going to have fun training. That's my goal. Let's do it together, the S. And last but not least, let's do it right. So right now, the C in me is really going crazy because of this. Because that's not done right. That's going the wrong direction. Oh, that's going the wrong direction. So those are the 4 DiSC do's. So it's kind of a way to remember them. Kind of remember that's really kind of their priorities. Priority, let's do it right, or for the C. S, let's do it together, that's their priority. I, hey, let's have fun doing it. And your D is, let's just do it. Let's just get it done, right?